Hey guys, I did it. I opened it. I pulled it out of the package. See? It was $1.99. I pulled out Betty, Veronica, and I'm going to open it. You ready? Here we go. Wow, look at all this. Oh, this is what it looks like on the inside of this comic book. Oh, it even has this comic, Hero of the Beach. I've never seen that guy around. But this ain't bad. So here we go. Okay. The best of your enemies. Wow. Okay. So old, and see how crumbled up the pages are. Oh, look at that. Boy, there's even drama in these comics. Wow. Well, anyway, guys, I just thought I'd share you what they had back in the day. This comic was like 20 cents. Who is that guy? Hi, Jug. Hi, Betty. Hi, Rhonda. Uh-oh. Wow, are y'all reading what I'm reading? Talk about drama. They had drama in comic books, man. Interesting. Uh-oh, she does have a voodoo doll of her. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at you. Hey, the fight. Voodoo pins pain. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my goodness. How mean. Oh my goodness. Well, that was the end of it. Look at this. Here's a commercial. Oh, well, it just has those reusable. Look, do you guys have any of these collection? How cool is that? So I opened it up. Archie's Meet the Archies, Welch's Jam and Jelly Glasses. Does anybody have any of those? And then it says, Dear Betty to Veronica. I had to share some of this with you guys. And here's what it looks like on the inside if you want to buy any more comics. Here's even the paperwork. So I opened it and I shared it so you guys can see the inside of an old comic book. Well, even back in their day, it was 20 cents. They had some drama going on. Pretty wild, huh? Here's the back of it. Alrighty, guys. I just thought I'd share an old comic book with you. I hope you enjoyed it. Got to read a little bit of it. You guys have a great day. Don't forget to keep your faith as a mustard seed and get out there and make some videos. Bye.